Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, went down through our 10,212 level, just coming shy of the 98.08 to 97.29 cluster area. This also gave you an opportunity when you had this pausing bar. You could use this one right here to move it down to give you the next key levels, which was 99.68, spiking just through that down to 98.80. But these are areas you can watch for reversals, and this gave you a nice little reversal bar here. Then you should watch the return to the first end of the rotation zone, which it hit here. Then it went to the second end of the rotation zone where it's pausing now and through to 25% retracement. So on a continued rally, the key area we'll be watching is 11,126 to 11,242, right in here, declining 50. And we have this sort of wide cluster area. If you wanted to fine tune it, remember you can always take your GAN box. This looks like it's pausing right here for now, and you could come, all right, well, we're right at 11,205, right in the middle of this area. So that's a key area to target on any future rally. That's how you use these little shorter term projections to do that. So that would be the next level. If we got through there, then we watch for a return to about 11,750. Let's check in on that daily chart though. Daily chart. So again, the upper end, this little projection we did is 11,200 area. Sorry about that. Is right where the declining rotation zone is also, and you see you have both moving averages. So this is the very key area to watch. Would not ignore it on any continued rally. If we break through this little low, watch for return to about 97.30 area. 96.12 is going to be very minor. We'll be able to do another reverse GAN box projection if it starts rotating down. Next major area below that is about 92.25 though, and then 87.21. Switching over to Ethereum, we had our next major area around 212 to 214, spiking well below that, but recovering quickly. So why you can take again actions at these points. They're not trying to call the top or bottom all the time. You're just trying to find somewhere where you take an action. So if you're hypothetically short, just do the same thing when you're long. This would be a great area to lower your stops or take partial profits. Then you see it rallies back to the other end of the rotation zone. At this point, with that drop through there, we now have a new major swing low coming back through. And if we continue to rally, now we have the declining 21 coming in with this cluster area. So we're going to be really watching 243 to about 244.50 on any rally based off the 4-hour chart. If we got through there, you have this little ledge which was support now becoming a resistance, and the declining 50 and the 37.5% retracement coming in at 263. At this point, I'm just going to update these levels with that big spike to see where that takes us lower. So now we get a cluster at 183 to 185, and then we're down to 162 if we continue to sell off, which means we should look at the daily chart to get a bigger perspective. Would not ignore this 182 to 185 area because we have the 200 period simple moving average coming in right there, forming a very strong cluster. And again, if we did get through this 244.50 area, you have the declining rotation zone. That's that little shelf we pointed out on the 4-hour chart. And you have the 8 EMA. So 263 is not an area to ignore because it's coming down with the rotation zone. And you have the prior support becoming resistance. Those are all the levels you need for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.